today I want to share with you how I make the classic and authentic version of bruschetta. I want to share with you what you're going to need. It's just a few ingredients. This is the easiest appetizer or snack that you can serve for your guest. It is one of my absolute favorites and it is delicious. Let me share with you what you're going to need. So you're going to need a fresh French baguette, some tomatoes, some garlic, some fresh basil, some olive oil, and some cracked ground pepper. That is a major thing that you want. You don't want to get the pepper that's in the little canisters because it's old and it's not going to be as good as the freshly cracked. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this baguette. So our baguette is cut, and now what I want to do is you just need to grab a baking sheet and put like the cooling rack, if you have one, on top, just so that it can crisp from the top and bottom. If you want it to be extra crispy, what you can do is put a piece of tin foil underneath the cooking sheet or the cooling sheet, and that will reflect the heat and it will make it crispy on both sides. So what I want to do is I'm just going to cut these up into about 1-inch slices, put it on this, and then we'll put them in the broiler. I am gonna go ahead and just brush on some olive oil. You can use extra virgin or just normal olive oil, but I prefer using extra virgin for this. It really just boosts and elevates this appetizer. So go ahead and just get a little pastry brush, silicone brush, and brush this on. You can also use butter if you'd like. I'm just gonna lightly tap this on, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven on broil for about 2 minutes or until it's crispy on top. Now I have 2 large garlic cloves, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to mince these really finely, but you can also leave them kind of bigger bites if you like that. But if you don't know how to get rid of the skin, because it is kind of hard to get open, just put a flat knife on top of the garlic clove and smash it like that, and then the skin will come off extremely easily, just like that. And it's so much easier than any other way. All right, so the garlic is perfect, and I just got a side bowl to go ahead and just put all the garlic in. I'm gonna also put the tomatoes in here so that we can mix those two and then evenly spread them on the baguette. Go ahead and cut off the sides of this tomato and cut down the middle because I like to get rid of the center. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but you can keep it if you want. And then from there, I like to do pretty big bites of tomato. That's a good size right there. I'm just finishing up cutting these tomatoes. And now I'm gonna move on to the basil. This one's not cut all the way through. Perfect. So I just have a few fresh basil leaves. I think I have around 6, but what I like to do is I like to cut them down halfway through the center like this. Get 2 leaves. Cut them down the center. That wasn't down the center. And then roll them like that. And then cut them like this. Perfect. Same thing. Just cut it down the center. It smells so good. And also what you could do for this is you could also add some mozzarella pearls if that's what you wanted. Sometimes we do that, but today we just want some really fresh bruschetta, so we're gonna do garlic, basil, tomatoes, and olive oil with the baguette. But if you wanted some extra goodness, add those cheesy mozzarella pearls on top of it and then top this on top. Perfect, it is so good. All right, let me stir this up and then I'll meet you back when we're gonna top the bread. All right, so I'm just mixing everything together and it smells so good. But I want to go ahead and add in the rest of the olive oil that I had. Just right in there. Go ahead and stir this up. That is going to give it the best flavor. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm just going to add a generous serving on top. Just like, whoop. Just add that right there. And it is flawless. That looks so good. I have finished placing all of the bruschetta on top of the baguette, and guys, this smells like I'm in Italy and I just want to hop on a plane real quick. But what you can do is take a bite of this. So I'm gonna take a bite of this one. It's really crunchy from being in the broiler, but I can't wait. Wow. It is so fresh and crisp and crispy. The garlic is like so pungent, but so good. This would be an amazing appetizer or pass around. This made about for 15 slices of a baguette, so you can double it however you like. But guys, please go get the link down below. I hope